In this video, you will learn how to enable Phone Cleaner on Smart Clean Pro. Open the Smart Clean Pro app. Start by launching the Smart Clean Pro app from your phone's home screen or app drawer. Go to the Cleaner section. From the main dashboard, tap on the Phone Cleaner or Smart Cleaner option to access cleaning tools. Grant the necessary permissions. Allow Smart Clean Pro to access your storage or app data so it can scan and clean junk files effectively. Tap on Start Scan. Press the Start Scan button to let apps analyse your phone for cache, temporary files or residual data. Review detected junk files. After scanning, Smart Clean Pro will show you a list of unnecessary files. Review the result and confirm which ones you want to delete. Tap Clean Now. Hit the Clean Now button to remove selected junk files and free up storage instantly on your phone. Now you know how to enable Phone Cleaner on Smart Clean Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.